Hi, welcome back to YocomArts. My name is Matt, and this is just a quick video. I'm going to be talking about some of the tests I made for the Growler spouts. So this is, I guess, part 2 in the quest for the Growler. Overall, great success with these. I mean, I'll show you again. These are, if it'll focus, there we go. So those are the measurements I need for the greenware, and then assuming 12% shrinkage should land here. And honestly, I'm super happy because the measurements I made were damn near spot on, which is great. So I'll show you right here. This is the little tester guy. I'm gonna focus on this right there. So this little guy is awesome. I don't know if you can hear, but that's just my coffee machine in the background, so pardon that. But this little guy is great because, let's get focused again. Yeah, it's there. The rubber gasket fits just right in there. Then you pop it open and there's the spout, and it hugs around just below this lip really nice, and then it fits on, and really good seal right there. Like, I'm super happy. The only thing, looking at the size of it, I'm thinking for a proper growler, it should be just a little bigger. So that's my next step, is just find some of these stoppers that are big enough. These are, I think, like 20 millimeters about. And I'm thinking, I did a little bit more research, and a lot of growlers, or at least the growlers that I want to make, those spout openings are closer to like 30 to 38 millimeters. So not too much bigger, but still just a little bigger. And I'll show you. So this guy is about the exact same size as the one I just showed you. This glaze is amazing, but so this is what it looks like without the stopper on it, and this is perfect because it's got the little lip right here, and then it hugs around there, and the gasket fits right in there. Perfect. This guy I made is just a little bit too small. He's a little too skinny. This curve here under the lip is a little too shallow of an angle, so the ring kind of wants to just slip up and over it. And then this little guy is a little too fat. Well, actually, so this part, the actual spout and this lip is perfect. It's just this curve is a little too extreme, because it's got this straight part. So that straight part doesn't really like the curve, especially not this part here, these little arms that kind of, move that, these little arms that hook around for the stopper. So they go up and then they focus, and then they go in like that. So these arms go around the actual neck. So this guy had just a little too steep of a curve here. And exact same thing with this little bottle. It's a great little bottle. I'm really happy with it. I like it. I might keep it, but same thing. It's, the neck is not quite tall enough, and where it starts bellying out on the shoulder is just a little too, it's a little too high up and a little too steep for, at least for the stoppers that I got. So the next step is just going to be finding the bigger stoppers, which I'll probably go to like a beer supply store. There's one not far from where I live, and they sell a bunch of like the equipment for home brewing, and they actually sell the glass growlers and that. So I should be able to find what I'm looking for there. And then it'll just be a matter of measuring them and throwing more growlers. Maybe do one more round of tests before actually jumping into the growlers. So quick video today, but yeah, hope you learned something. Check out my website, YocomArts.com. Follow me on Instagram at YocomArts, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this and more throwing videos coming soon.